I think riding motorcycles, it gives you a sense of freedom. Having those motorcycles in front of the motorcade helps push those vehicles out of the way. So by the time the entire package comes through, it's a clear route for them.
The first fleet orders for Harley-Davidson motorcycles took place in 1908. Motorcycles were being used by police and law enforcement agencies even before that.
I think having this motorcycle inducted into the Harley Museum gives you a sense of pride.
For us, our motorcycles that we do have in the collection that are police, that were used on duty, most of them come from small towns or small communities. This one obviously was used on a much grander scale at our nation's capital.
This event today showcases the hard work of the talented men and women of the Secret Service Motorcade Support Unit.